Hello everyone, how are you? So today our vlog begins here at this bridge here. As you can see, I'm at this bridge here across the Indian Ocean. So this highway is called the Kundu bypass. It's at the southern coast of Kenya, and I'm told it's the longest bridge in the region. So I welcome you all. Let's take a walk and see how long it goes. So my name is Samson, and kindly subscribe to my channel. You like the video, share to your friends, and yeah, let's grow together. Let's grow this channel together, man. So welcome, and let's take a walk at this longest bridge. You see, it's very long. So this side of the road has not been opened yet for public use. This other side, as you can see, the commuters and drivers are using already. So once completed, I'm told that the president is coming to launch this road maybe early next month or the end of this month. So once it's launched officially, it will be an amazing moment. Yeah, so this one behind me here is an island, and this is Indian Ocean. You can see mangrove forest everywhere. You see, that's the ocean. This is Indian Ocean. There are some tourist vans passing by. So this side is which county? Kwale County. Then this other side is Mombasa County. Well, this one here is the Indian Ocean. You can see the bamboo plantation. See, this is Indian Ocean. This is water you see here. This is the farthest end of the Indian Ocean. Let's take a walk and see how long this bridge goes. And you will tell me in the comment section if it's really the longest as I say. There's a small island here, that one there. Those green things that you see on the other side, that's the boat. That's the boat of Mombasa. This is the middle of the ocean. So the bridge is not having much traffic as it has not been officially launched. the president is coming to launch it very soon. So that's why you see no much traffic going on. And today is also Friday, so maybe during the weekends, that's when you expect to see a lot of traffic as people are traveling home. This is a very new road. It's a very new highway, still fresh. So actually, this highway was constructed or is being constructed to cater for the traffic, to reduce the traffic across the Likoni Channel. The Likoni Channel crossing there's a very huge traffic at the ferry. You see, you cannot cross from Mombasa town to Kwale town. You must use the ferry at the Likoni crossing channel, and there's a huge traffic, especially in the evening. You can wait for even 30 minutes for a ferry to cross over. But using this highway here, it connects you direct from Nairobi to Kwale County. So you don't have to go to Mombasa City so this highway leads to Diani, Kwale County, Longa, then all the way to Tanzania. So it's a shortcut. It reduces the traveling time and also reduces the congestion in town, Mombasa town. Since most of the travelers and most of the riders will be using this highway, so there will be reduced traffic within the Mombasa city. And it has also opened this corridor. See, there is no much population, there's no much human population around here because there was nothing that people could do around this place. It's all mangrove because there was no better infrastructure. But because of this highway here, I can see plots are being sold. Some plots are being sold around, meaning that it has started attracting human population. And within a short period of time, it will be overpopulated. Even these islands here will be occupied because infrastructure like this opens many economical opportunities. And then the president is coming to launch an economic zone just above this hill here, beyond the hill. So this highway is going to give the community residing here, it's going to open this coastal part of the country to a magnitude of economical activities. This is one of the best we have. Okay, so guys, we've just finished our road trip. So this is actually the beginning of the Kundu bypass. So as I told you, see this one here. This one is coming from Mombasa. This road here, or from the SGR. So if you come with a train from Nairobi, you will land at the SGR terminus there. This one here is coming from Miritini. Then this one here, you see this one. This is the one now going to Nairobi. This one is going to Nairobi. This written Mombasa, Nairobi. So that one, you come from Nairobi, you join this one here. This is now the Nairobi highway. And this is the beginning of the Kundu. So guys, kindly subscribe. I'm very thirsty, I can barely shout. Kindly subscribe, share, like, and let's grow this channel together. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye for now.